Welcome to Apocalypse Ready, your guide to surviving anything life throws your way.
How to forage wild edibles. Wild onions, Allium genus. Hello foragers, welcome back to Apocalypse Ready. I'm James, and today we're embarking on a fragrant journey to explore the culinary delights of wild onions. Our star today is the Allium genus, commonly known as onions, garlic, leeks, chives, and other related plants. The leaves can vary from tubular to flat. Crush the leaves, and that delightful onion or garlic aroma confirms you found the right plant. While allium as a whole is common and widespread in North America, it's important to note that there are several allium species found across the continent. The prevalence of specific wild onion species can vary by region and habitat. The species may differ, but they all share one common trait: that onion smell and taste. Here are a few examples. Allium vanille, commonly known as wild garlic, field garlic, or crow garlic. Allium vanille is a widespread wild onion species found in various habitats, including yards, lawns, and grassy areas. It is known for its small, clustered bulbs and slender tubular leaves. When crushed or bruised, the plant emits a distinct garlic smell. Allium cernuum, commonly known as nodding onion, is a herbaceous perennial plant in the Allium genus. Native to North America, this plant is characterized by its distinctive nodding or drooping clusters of pink to purple flowers. Allium tricoccum, commonly known as wild leeks, are also known by other names such as ramps, spring onions, or wild garlic. They are a species of wild onion native to eastern North America and are characterized by broad, smooth leaves and a pungent onion or garlic aroma. Wild onions thrive in a variety of habitats. You can find them all across North America, from Canada to the United States. For the purposes of this video, we will just refer to all plants in the Allium genus as wild onions. Finding wild onions is a joy. Look in open areas, lawns, or meadows. There are probably some growing in your yard right now. While many homeowners consider the wild onion a weed, as their tubular leaves often rise above the grass, making them visible and an eyesore. Don't mow them down, harvest and eat them instead. Harvest in moderation, allowing the population to regenerate, and use clean tools such as a small trowel or knife to avoid unnecessary damage. Dig the onion, ensuring that you get the entire bulb. Another method that avoids taking the whole plant is to just cut a few larger and more mature leaves from the plant, leaving some younger leaves behind. This allows the plant to continue photosynthesis and support bulb development. Since wild onions are so plentiful, you can take a few leaves from multiple plants so that you have enough for a meal without destroying any plants. When cutting leaves, be careful not to damage the bulb. Using a sharp, clean knife or scissors can help make precise cuts without causing unnecessary harm. Check local regulations if foraging on public land is legal and ensure responsible harvesting practices. After harvesting, wash the wild onions thoroughly and store them in a cool, dry place or the refrigerator. Remember, responsible foraging contributes to the sustainability of wild populations and preserves the natural landscape. Now let's talk culinary uses. The leaves and bulbs of wild onions are edible and can be a fantastic addition to your dishes. Use them in the same way you would use store-bought onions. Chop the leaves for a mild onion or garlic flavor in salads, soups, or as a garnish. The bulbs, while smaller, can be used similarly to green onions. There are some toxic lookalikes that may resemble a wild onion, but they all lack the onion smell. It is crucial that you thoroughly familiarize yourself with the key characteristics of wild onions, including the distinctive onion smell, and to positively identify the plant before consumption. If in doubt, consult with an experienced forager, use reliable field guides, or seek guidance from local experts. That concludes our exploration of North American wild onions. Subscribe for more foraging insights on Apocalypse Ready. Until next time, happy foraging.